This is Spike. This is the salon bird. This is the poor bird that stays in this space 24/7, oftentimes with nobody coming in to check on him for days. I mean, I have been stopping in daily, but the owner doesn't care if he stays here for 3, 4, 5, up to 10 days without anybody changing his food, water, or paper cage. And so this is the salon that pretty much is home to him all the time. She does leave his cage door open, so he can fly out and fly around, and he does sometimes. So his cage door stays open. But still, I think it's terribly cruel that somebody would leave a bird in a dark space with the lights turned off for several days and not even coming to check in on them, to check their food, their water, to keep them company. He's a very nice bird, and I'm going to try very hard to see if the owner will agree to sell him, and I would like to find him a home. Spike! Don't sing your song, Spike.